फ्यू मिनट्स डॉक्टर अजय में आपका स्वागत है। वेलकम टू फ्यू मिनट्स डॉक्टर अजय। आई एम डॉक्टर अजय। टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू डिस्कस वेरी important health issue among the population. It is that issue which is often complained by all age groups, and that is how to keep your memory sharp. There are various tips and there are various conditions that causes memory to fade or not to be as sharp as it should be. The way you should live, what you eat and drink, and how you treat your body affect your memory, as well as your physical health and well-being. Here I am going to give you few steps that will enhance your memory and will help you to sharpen your memory. First is you should manage your stress. Stress is most important factor that affects your memory. That distracts you. The constant drumbeat of daily stresses, such as deadline pressures on executives or petty arguments, can certainly distract you and affect your ability to focus and recall. But the bigger problem is ongoing sense of extreme anxiety. That ongoing stress of extreme anxiety that can lead to memory impairment in a very bad fashion. Remember, so this level of stress you should avoid. If you don't have a strategy in place for managing your stress, protecting your memory is one reason is to get one, right? Deep breathing exercises, meditation, yoga. When I say yoga, it means exercises as well as following the philosophy of the yoga. And a mindful approach to the living can be a very helpful tool in managing the stress. Another important factor, that is sleep. Get a very good night's sleep. People who don't sleep well in the night tend to be more forgetful than the people who sleep soundly. It is very important. A good night's sleep is essential for consolidating our memories. The most common reason for poor sleep is insomnia. Insomnia is a disease. Difficulty in falling asleep or staying asleep. And insomnia is a major health hazard. Prolonged insomnia can also lead to death. It is so important to your health. Remember, never ignore your sleep. If you are unable to manage it, consult your doctor and find out the causes of the insomnia. As far as my medical career and my experience is concerned, among various other causes, high blood pressure is one of the most important causes of insomnia. So, get yourself checked thoroughly. Unfortunately, many medicine used to treat insomnia can also impair our memory and general brain functions. So, if you treat your insomnia irrationally, that can also lead to impairment of the memory due to side effect of the drugs. That's why it is very important, it's best to try improving your sleep habits first and then turn to medication only if these steps they do not help. Most often we don't go to the sleep at a proper time. So It is just that you fix a time when you have to go to sleep. It means you have to improve your sleep habits. Now, if you do need sleep aids, use the lowest dose of the shortest time possible for any medicine so that you may back in track after you leave the medicine for sleep. Now, another very important factor for memory is if you smoke. Remember, smokers they often have a bad sleep and bad memory, both. Easier said than done, certainly, but if you need additional motivation, know that smokers have a greater degree of age related memory loss and other memory problems than non smokers. So, quit smoking. People who smoke more than 2 packs of cigarettes a day at midlife have more than double the risk of developing the dementia, that is memory loss in the old age, as compared to the persons who are non-smokers. So it is very very dangerous and very very hazardous for your brain too. Smoking is a very hazardous thing for your general health also. It affects your lung, most important cause of lung cancer, most important cause of lip cancer, most important cause of Burgess disease, in which circulation of the limb is impaired, and most often we have to cut the limb to save the life of a smoker's patient. So, however, those who stop smoking by midlife and those who smoke less than half a pack of a day have a similar a risk of the dementia as people who do have never smoked. This is about smoking. Now, another factor is if you drink alcohol, do so moderately. It is better not to drink. As far as my advice as a doctor is concerned, never drink. Drinking too much alcohol increases the risk of memory loss and dementia. Dementia means memory loss. People with alcoholism have difficulty in performing short term memory tasks, and such as memorizing the lists they have got from somewhere. Another type of memory loss associated with alcohol use is called Korsakoff syndrome. This Korsakoff syndrome is a condition in which there is long term vitamin B1 deficiency combined with the toxic effect of the alcohol on the brain, and it can trigger sudden and dramatic amnesia, as another very harassing symptoms like tremors and all that. So, long term vitamin B1 deficiency with toxic effect of the alcohol can cause a sudden dramatic amnesia or memory loss. In some cases, this memory loss is permanent, but if caught early, it can be reversed to some degree by replacement of the vitamin B1 and quitting the alcohol. And last but not the least is protect your brain from the injury. Remember, in any causes of accidents in our preventive medicine, we often say that accidents are preventable diseases. So, protect your brain from the injury. Head trauma is a major cause of memory loss and increases the risk of developing dementia. Always use the appropriate protective gear during high speed activities and contact sports. Wear seat belts while riding a motor vehicles or car. Car accidents are far by far the most common cause of the brain injury. And wearing seat belts greatly reduces the chances of severe head injury as well as severe chest injury. So never forget to wear the seat belt while you are driving the car. Wear a helmet while driving a bicycle, riding a motorcycle or a scooter, in line skating and skiing. Dear friends, we have to be very careful in managing our memory, and if we control all these factors, I have to enumerate once more, that is, first is managing your stress, then get a good night's sleep and quit your smoking, moderately drink or quit the drinking, and protect your brain from injury. If you manage all these things, I can assure you it is the modern research that your memory will sharpen. Thank you friends so much for attending my session.